Hello student, how are you? Hope keeping good health. Today I Geeta Rana is here and we will do our first chapter of history, that is the from the beginning of time, समय की शुरुआत. और in this chapter we will read the story of the human evolution. स्टूडेंट ये कहा जाता है कि फर्स्ट मैन लाइक क्रेचर originated about the 56 lakhs years ago and the modern human originated about the 1,60,000 years ago. Or on this basis of this timeline we divided the two main categories of the human beings, that is the early human beings and the modern human beings. I have told you that the early human beings come on the existence about the 56 lakhs years ago and the modern human beings come on the existence on the 1,60,000 years ago. Modern that means जो ये समझ गए थे कि जानवरों का शिकार करना है, पेड़ पौधों से खाने पीने की वस्तुएं लेनी हैं, बीज ढूंढने हैं, वी कैन से कि दे हैड द नॉलेज अबाउट द मेथड ऑफ द फूड गैदरिंग, कल्टीवेशन एंड हंटिंग, बट द अर्ली ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैड नो नॉलेज अबाउट दिस. Now come on the next point, that is the related to the sources, and these sources help us to understand the early human history. And what are these? These are the human fossils, cave paintings, stone tools and act of the creation of the god. Now come on the point of the fossils क्या होते हैं, किसे कहा जाता है? Fossils are the remains or the impression of a very old human which had turned into stone, they preserved into rocks. It means fossils are the decay parts of the human dead body that buried into the soil, or after a long period of the time they changed into the stone, or they put the importance role into the human evolution story. Now come on the point, that is the cave painting. Cave painting, through the cave painting we have the knowledge of the early humans art, or these paintings are made on the walls of the caves, and in the Europe and Africa through the cave painting we have the knowledge about the early human history, because these cave paintings depict the scene of the hunting and the animals, and we can say these help us to understand that time period. Now come on the point, stone tools, and these are the important aspect and in the history, and these stones are made of these tools are made of the stones, and but they have no accurate shape, they have the different shape, and they are used for the various purpose, such as for the hunting, killing the animals, cutting the trees, and there were so many purpose for these they were used by the early human beings. Or in the Africa and Europe during the excavation work we get more evidence of the old stone tools. Now come on the point, act of the creation by God. स्टूडेंट ये कहा जाता है कि यदि मानव अस्तित्व में है तो कहीं ना कहीं जो पृथ्वी की संरचना ईश्वर के बाद हुई है, और ईश्वर के द्वारा कोई सिलेक्टेड व्यक्ति जमीन पर भेजा गया होगा जिससे हमारी जो पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ है वो हुई है. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द ओल्ड टेस्टिमल्स ऑफ द बाइबल इट इज सेड दैट द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स वाज एन एक्ट ऑफ द क्रिएशन ऑफ गॉड. Student, if we see the beginning of the human evolution story, it is related to the Neander Valley, where it is located into the Germany. And why it is have the importance in the human evolution? Because a skull of the human beings was discovered in August 1856, and this skull was in the form of the human, or this skull was given to the local school master whose name was the Johann Carl Falroth. What was the name? Johann Carl Fuhlrott. And this skull was handed to Johann Carl Fuhlrott. But Johann realized that it did not belong to the modern human, and so then he made a plaster cast of the skull and sent it to a German professor that of the anatomy and in the Bonn University, that is the University of the Germany, and this professor published in a magazine about this, but it became a turning point when the Charles Darwin, that is the Charles Darwin, on the 24 November, on which 24 November 1859, it became a turning point, because on this date and he published a book, his own book, and the name of the book was On the Origin of the Species, or this book consists 1250 pages. But in this book Charles Darwin said that the human had evolved फ्रॉम द एनिमल से। चार्ल्स डार्विन ये रिकमेंडेशन देते हैं कि मानव इतिहास जानवरों से बना है, एंड फ्रॉम हेयर द स्टोरी स्टार्ट ऑफ द ह्यूमन इवोल्यूशन, और ऑन दिस बेसिस वी हैव द 4 stages of the human evolution, and this in these stages we have the knowledge कि how the apes became the modern human beings, and that is the first stage, primates. Primates emerged around the 36 lakh years ago, and after the primates hominids come on the existence around the 240 lakhs ago, and after this the hominids come on the existence around the 560 lakhs ago, and I have told you that the modern human beings come on the originated, that is the come on the existence and the originated about the 1,60,000 years ago. And now student, today only this. In our next class we will clear the concept of these points.